Sure, growing a beard makes you look bold and classy, but there's a lot that goes into keeping that dashing macho look alive. Unlike the hair on your head that stays strong and silky with a daily shampoo session and a nice trim every 2 or 3 weeks, beards need special care. If your beard is showing signs of dryness, beardruff, frizz, or dreaded patchiness, it's high time you buy a beard kit and cure all your facial hair problems in one shot. From special shampoos, grooming oils, and beard styling balms to scissors and brushes, pre-packaged beard grooming kits contain everything your beard needs. With how spontaneously men grooming brands have emerged, the market is flooded with beard grooming kits. While some are basic 4-product kits, others are jam-packed with top-notch groom essentials, and it's our job to help you choose the right deal. By reviewing a better number of beard kits, we bring you the top 5 candidates for the best beard kit in 2023. Number 1. Viking Revolution Beard Kit. The Viking Revolution's Beard Care Kit offers everything your beard needs to stay slick, straightened, and healthy. From using the comb and beard brush to detangle the hair to using nicely scented oils and nourishing cream, optimize your beard grooming routine and unleash the Viking within. Use the brush and comb for detangling your beard before giving it a trim with the scissors. Then moisturize and soften the hair with beard oil, before styling with the beard balm. The Beard Kit presents a truly organic beard oil that helps you overcome a patchy beard and effectively deals with dryness and beardruff. Not to mention, the beard balm helps you style your beard perfectly. With its all-natural nourishing oil, premium trimming, and styling products, the Viking Revolution Beard Kit rightfully deserves the best overall spot on our list. Number 2. Full Light Tech Beard Kit. Keeping your beard properly trimmed, nourished, and nicely styled can be demanding, especially for lads who are new to the job. With its all-encompassing beard grooming kit, Full Light Tech aims to solve every beard issue beginners face in their beard journey. Solid wood beard comb keeps you away from frizzy beard. It also helps sculpt the beard into place prior to using styling balm, which in turn helps you identify the strays that need snipping. From trimming equipment like comb, brushes, and scissors to nurturing products like shampoo, conditioner, oils, and balm, there's everything you could think of. And the best part is, that you have an ultimate beard care ebook that walks you through the entire process of treating your beard. So, you don't only have the organic products at hand, you have the manual to understand their correct use. Number 3. Zygzan Beard Kit. Treating your beard right does not cost much. Don't believe me? The Zygzan Beard Care Kit offers you premium beard-related products at a price that won't let you think twice before placing an order. Beard wash/shampoo, conditioner, beard oil, beard balm, scissors, beard brush, you name it. There's everything you'd require to make your beard look exquisite from start to end. This is your great choice, as these are the finest kit with lowest price on Amazon so far. With 60 ml beard conditioner, we encourage you to compare. Zygzan sources its beard nourishment products organically, causing no rashes or irritation in the name of side effects. So, whether you use the beard grooming oil twice a day or shape your beard with balm before heading out, feel free to style yourself the way you prefer. Number 4. Rapid Beard Kit. Sometimes a fresh trim doesn't cut it, and men with longer beards would vouch for that. This is why we bring you the Rapid Beard Grooming and Trimming Kit, perfect for trimming, taming, and shaping your beard. Instead of a normal pair, it provides stainless steel barber scissors, making it easier to style your beard and mustache. These unscented leave-in conditioner, beard oil, 1.7 fluid ounces, 50 milliliters, and beard balm, 2.12 ounces, 60 milliliters, wax, both have the perfect formula for keeping your facial hair and skin hydrated, moisturized, silky soft, healthy, and groomed during a long day. Although the bristle brush would be enough to straighten the hair, applying a coat of purely organic beard oil would make things easier. With no additional beard grooming products like beard shower and conditioner, the grooming set may seem a bit overkill for the price. But considering the fragrance-free supplements, you might not find a better beard care kit. Number 5. Grow Alpha Beard Kit. Be it a birthday, wedding anniversary, or Valentine's Day, if you are stuck deciding the right thing to gift your partner, perhaps the Grow Alpha Beard Care Kit may pique your interest. Despite being an 8-piece set with natural growth agents, the Grow Alpha Kit is not like some typical beard grooming kit. Is your facial hair too messed up to be tamed by a comb or bristle brush? Maybe it's time to step up. The Beard Kit offers a multifunction beard straightener on top of standard nourishing products, taking your styling game to the next level. Besides, what keeps you from using it on your hair from time to time?